How is it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Mythic Legends. In the last episode, we defeated like only 2 of the element showers, and in this episode, we are gonna defeat the Steel type mana. Star, she's the Steel type element. Don't have a Steelix. Okay, you have Skarmory, which is kinda oof. Swords Dance. Setuping is gonna really help us in this battle. Why did I went for that? I misclicked. I have up. Yes. Brick break, please KO, please KO, please KO, please KO, please KO, please. No! I lost! Because I effed up. Spikes. I probably need to rely on spikes. I wish I have roar. Shit. Third layer of spikes, drill pack. I'm just gonna speed up. Fly like a helicopter. Yes. Speed 2 times. Okay. Magneton. There's not a ton I could do. I basically fly like a helicopter. We're gonna lose this. You know I'm gonna go for this week on strats, baby. Come on. I have 7 PP for ice beams. Drill pack, don't crit me, don't crit me, don't crit me, don't crit me. Yes. Ice beam, bye bye Falcon. We are at level 70 now. Okay. Okay, Fortress. This is like the 12th member, right? Yeah. Ice Beam. Bye bye Aggron. Steelix. Ice Beam. See? We can defeat without healing up. And no problem. We survived it anyway. Yeah, you are so hard and powerful. I made up that line. You are so hard, and this is going to be ice type, which I'm gonna heal for finally. Okay, I finally healed up after like what 3000 years? Yeah, 3000 years. I'm ice of the ice type punch. This is like the 13th. Command. You are purely a special attacker. Curse. Don't say cursed words in this video. I think I'm gonna get. This is the 5th video I'm recording in an order. So yeah. Okay guys, I set up 2 Giga Drain. Sorry, 2 commands and Giga Drain. Oh, okay. I never killed it. Confuse Ray. Yes, Giga Drain. Bye bye. Dugong. Pile of swine. Yes, Giga Drain. It's super effective. Bye bye, pile of swine. There is a lack of ice types in Gen 3. Whoever says us, yeah, few. There are not lack of ice types. Okay guys, I defeated the Lapras. Oh, I never gonna end up Azula. Oh, woo. Flamethrower finally on an ice type Elite 4. She has like 3. Presented by what they have. Oh, I know Valorant is so bulky. At least in in-game. In competitive, you're just gonna shrug off it with an Magnezone, Thunderbolt or like that. It's not that good in competitive. They can tank and do a lot of damage. I know because I have one Jaden Animations reference, and Jinx is fainted. This is like the 13th one. I have 4 more types to go. 4 more. I think I defeated the steel one, ice one. So I never defeated the. Okay, I never defeated Psychic. Keep going. I think this is going to be psychic, as I said that. So let's lead off with. Why not Boomy? Man, Chiru doesn't got a lot of shine. I'm psycho this. Really? You are psycho? This psychic type trainer? Hypnosis! Nice. I'm gonna wake up first try. Just kidding. I'm gonna wake up second try. Just kidding. I'm gonna wake up third try. I'm gonna wake up third try. I'm gonna wake up fast. Sakin. Calm mind. Calm mind. Calm mind. You load my special defense, no problem. Come and don't go for hypnosis. I know it's hypnosis or even worse, confused, eh? Surf or surf. Surf. Body slam. Man, I'm just gonna speed up. Wait a second. I'm getting orange left and right. Surf. Bye bye, Alka fam. You threw the game, bro. Psychic. Surf. Back to back Elite 4 with Jinx. Grumpig. And that's first episode, guys. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I know this is very short. This lock shocked me. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace. This is a dragon type.